Welcome to this short video from the Carleton University Library on adding a theme to a GitHub repository page. Here are the 4 steps to take to add a theme. Step 1. Choose a GitHub theme. When you've successfully added a theme to your GitHub repository, this underscored config.yml or configuration YAML file will appear in the repository. To choose a GitHub theme, start on the repository page and click on Settings. Next, click on Pages in the left-hand navigation. Under the Build and Deployment section, choose a branch from the drop-down menu. Make sure you choose the main branch. Then, under this drop-down menu, click on the hyperlink Add a Jekyll theme. On the Adding a Theme page, scroll down to Customize your theme's CSS section. Click on the Supported Themes hyperlink. Here is a list of themes supported by GitHub pages. Choose a theme and click on the hyperlink. On this page, scroll down to the Usage section. Here you will find the configuration code that will need to be saved in a Visual Studio Code file. Click on the Copy option. Step 2. Create a Visual Studio Code file for the configuration YAML code. Open Visual Studio Code and create a new text file. Click on File in the upper left-hand corner of the screen and choose New Text File from the drop-down menu. Now paste the configuration YAML code that you copied from Git. Save this text file to the project folder that you're using. Click on File in the top left-hand corner of the page. Choose the Save As option. Navigate to the folder in which you wish to save the file, and save the file using the proper name, which is _config.yml. This is how the file will appear in your project folder. You'll notice that the YML extension is missing. This is the default save for the file. Step 3. Push this new content to GitHub. Open your command line environment, Miniconda, and navigate to the folder from which you wish to push the content. Put the following commands in the command line. Git add -A, git commit -m, and the message can be adding a theme, and then git push. Step 4. Verify that you have pushed or committed the theme code to your GitHub repository. Go back to the GitHub repository in which you are working. Click on Settings, and then Pages in the left-hand navigation. Now, under the heading GitHub Pages, you can click on the link to your page, which is live. When you do, you will see that the page is properly configured with Slate, the theme you have chosen. Note that there could be a time lag between pushing the content to Git and having the reconfigured page display properly. In summary, there are 4 steps to adding a theme to a Git repository page. 1. Choose a theme and copy the code. 2. Create a Visual Studio Code text file for the theme code and save it to the project folder. 3. Push the new configuration content to GitHub. And 4, verify that the repository page is properly configured for the theme you have chosen. This is the end of this video.